I'm architect Amrita Pravina, principal architect and co-founder of N11 Interior Solutions, along with Mr. Pavan Kumar Reddy. So we are associated with Dakpin for over 15 years, and I'm so glad and honored to be a part of this series. Well, Sydney for sure, because just a 20-minute drive and you'll have new inspirations every time. And the lifestyle is so serene and slow. You don't rush for anything. And I've noticed this, and many people say every week you can go to a new place and still find new places for about 200 to 300 days is what people say. So Sydney was a place that inspires me in every aspect of life. Now handbags, maybe handbags, they just don't add fashion to my thing, but they also bring some culture to that. So everywhere I go, I try and pick a handbag which reflects the culture and fashion of that particular city. That would totally be natural stones and natural materials which have that crude and raw finish. Like these days you get natural stones in different forms and finishes, in terms of stone veneers, stone tiles and stone blocks in different sizes and patterns. So I would really like to experiment in that. And you have textures also which have these cement finish, asbestos finish. So I really like that rawness. It is minimalistic yet sophisticated. I would say lighting, because we emphasize so much on designs and materials and textures, but not everybody I would say, but lighting is something which is little underlooked. Because how much ever expensive the product is, how much ever good the design is, if proper lighting is not given to the particular place, the place doesn't reflect its actual character. The color or the texture, it doesn't give its actual reflection. My home is just like me, like how I design all the homes, we try to reflect the person's character. My home is just like me. It's simple, subtle, yet sophisticated. The places, the walls and all, they speak something, but they don't scream out loud for attention. So you find them interesting, but they do not seek attention. Can I say them all? So I love everything. I like the aroma of the candles. I am happy just getting buried in the books. So, and cushions, yes, they are like all-time teddies to me. So I love them all. Maybe that. So if ever I have to say a happy ending to any story, so that one is my happy ending. So we do a lot of design and all. So when the house is all complete, when we feel it's all complete, but it's only complete when the furnishings are all added. Many number of incidents where my client comes and say after the furnishings and are all arranged in place, they come and just say wow. So that one adds that wow factor to our designs, and I'm really honored to be a part of it.